Welcome to Vicky Goes Desi. Today's recipes are healthy, they are trendy, and the best part is that they are so easy that you can make them at home. In this episode of Vicky Goes Desi, I'm going to show you how to add superfoods in your daily Ghar Ka Khaana. My first recipe is about Masoor, millets, and brown rice. I'm cooking with the only brown rice which is non-basmati, which comes from India Gate. A very, very good rice to use. Also low glycemic index, and you know what? It cooks like a dream. Now I have over here some masoor dal which is already soaked, rinsed, washed, and it's been cooking along with my bajra. Now millets and masoor have been around for time immemorial, but now in today's age and generation, I'm so happy to see that all of us are actually eating these ancient grains. We use a lot of millet flour in India, which is also gluten-free. Now I'm making this lovely khichadi, and I'm going to actually give it a little more pizzazz with some nice herbs and some beautiful vegetables. Now out here I have some brown rice, which I have pre-soaked. So let's drain this rice first and add it to our other pulses over here. Let's start seasoning our mix here. Lovely. To this, we're going to be adding a few of our beautiful Ashok masalas which I have here. Thodi si haldi, a little bit of red chili powder, halka sa dhania, a few cinnamon sticks, thodi si elaichi, थोड़े से long or star anise, okay? So let's give this a little shake and then with love let this cook over here. Next, let's hit the vegetables. My seasonal vegetables here are carrots and beans and tomatoes and sweet potato. Now, depending on where you live, what season it is, what your family loves to eat, enjoy all the fresh vegetables which you have in your market. So let's chop up these green beans. Now let's take a carrot and simply dice it as well. Sweet potatoes is considered a superfood now. I mean, in the West, people eat it like hotcakes. You can slice them, you can dice them, you can bake them, you can fry them, you can mash them, anything you can do. I mean, if you've ever been to Delhi, they do a fabulous shakarkandi ka chaat, which I'm a big fan of. So looks like with my super grains like masoor and my millets and my super vegetables, this is a super healthy recipe. So job done. So we're going to be using olive oil to continue our healthy trend over here. 2 of these chilies, and also have some small bullet chilies which are a complete bomb which I'm going to add into this. I like to have my food a little spicy, so some sliced onions. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to be adding these chilies inside. Thodi si jeera seeds, thodi si dalchini. When you're using jeera or any spices, and when you fry them in oil or when you roast them, the flavor comes out. It like literally jump karta hai wo. And there is nothing better than the lovely fragrance of jeera and chilies and dalchini. Trust me. So some onions on the side. So we have a little bit of smashed garlic, which I'm going to fry as well. And a little bit of ginger. बिल्कुल ब्राउन नहीं करेंगे हम इसको. So some vegetables. Awesome. थोड़े से मसाले. So we have हमारे Ashok masale, really nice, fresh, Very high grade spices, I must say. तो थोड़ी सी हल्दी हमने डाल दी इसमें, थोड़ी सी lovely red chili powder and some धनिया. अशोक मसाले का गरम मसाला, उनकी तो बात ही कुछ अलग है. Fabulous fragrance, really good to use. थोड़ी सी नमक. हल्का सा हम पानी डालेंगे, not too much. और फिर थोड़ी सी कॉर्न, ओके? कॉर्न इज ऑप्शनल अगर आपके पास कॉर्न सीजन में है, और if you're getting corn in your market, definitely use it. A nice ripe tomato will also do the trick. टमाटो को बिल्कुल ऐसे ही स्लाइस करके डाल देते हैं उसमें. Yes. तो टमाटर भी डाल दिए हमने इसमें. थोड़ा सा धनिया. Fabulous. ये हुई ना कोई बात. Next, I'm going to be transferring my beautiful vegetables into my khichdi ka mixture. Yes, fantastic. और फिर हमें उसे 5 या 10 मिनट दम पे रख देंगे, and these are going to be beautifully cooked. Colorful, nutritious khichdi is ready. Just a last minute touch. Now we have some lovely broccoli, which is also a superfood. I don't want to overcook this lovely vegetable. I just want it to be nice and crunchy ताकि उसकी nutrition भी रह जाए. Fabulous flavor. This is where all the flavor is. And then, so that the broccoli does not overcook too much, what I'm doing is, I'm taking these broccoli florets, putting them on top. So with the heat and the steam which is already there, broccoli will be perfectly steaming, and over the broccoli, you can get something really nice and crunchy if you like. I mean, instead of having a fried papad, why? Have a nice crunchy salad. So I've got a nice cucumber. इसको मैं just ऐसे ribbons में काटूंगा. Okay? अगर आपके पास ये पीलर नहीं है तो ले लीजिए. आजकल सब कुछ मिल रहा है मार्केट में, और ऑनलाइन सब कुछ मिल रहा है. नींबू का रस, थोड़ी सी नमक, ब्लैक पेपर, some nice mint leaves, अशोक गरम मसाला. वाओ, क्या बात है. Yes. Look at that beautiful khichdi. And I think I would call this the superfood khichdi. Now look at this. This has become such a hearty meal. Rather than opening up a packet and giving your kids these ready-made processed foods, forget about that. Make a nice pot of this khichdi. Life will change. That's what this is all about. So हमारी शानदार superfood वाली, मिलेट वाली, ब्राउन राइस वाली और वेजिटेबल वाली खिचड़ी रेडी है. You could serve it at home, you could serve it at a dinner party, I would serve it in my restaurant. I mean, it's that good. So cucumber की सैलेड डालेंगे इसके ऊपर, थोड़ा सा पुदीना, और हमारे से पास sprouts भी हैं, तो we can add a little sprouts if you like to give you that extra crunch, and adding a few drops of a very good olive oil. Well, remember folks, let food be your medicine and not medicine your food. So hey, don't go away, cause I'll be back with some really cool recipes. See you soon.
Wow.